Hi guys!
Hello!
We are back with another video. As you guessed, it's a vlog. We are currently in a botanical garden. And yeah, I'm just gonna show it to you. It's our first time here.
What you drinking?
I'm drinking coffee with ice latte.
Tell us how we ordered it.
How?
She ordered it for us.
Really?
The usual? Two lattes?
Really? She said that?
Yeah, did you not hear it?
No! Oh, that's so cute!
Yeah.
Oh, she knows now!
Yeah!
I didn't know.
Oh,
I'm scared of... What was that?
Bees. Anyway, this latte looks nice, doesn't it? I drank mine too fast, so this is hers.
Yeah, it is tasty.
And while we're at it, this is the European and conifers display. Smack dab in the middle of the city, a botanical garden.
Yeah, as it should, right?
This will eventually grow into something like Central Park, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
Excited. And this is Aidana.
Yeah. This is my ice latte.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it's a rather new garden. So the one in Almaty, for example, already has trees growing up to 15 meters high. So I guess in a couple of years we'll see something like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this video will kind of be like a time capsule.
Yeah.
We'll come back to it.
Mm-hmm. Flowers, trees, the building, glass building.
Yeah.
We gotta go there.
Yeah.
I think you have to pay to go there. Like the park itself is free and open 24/7, unlike the one in Almaty. However, to enter these ones, you have to pay, and they are open from 11 until 8, as I recall. My latte.
And right here we have access to a river or a lake? A river, right?
I think it's a river, I'm not sure.
You can have your picnics here. If anyone has ever been to Korea, this is kind of similar to the Han River, right?
Or Olympic Park.
Yeah,
also.
the Olympic Park. Yeah, very nice. You got your walking path here, cycling paths over here. And the greenhouse, I think, is over there. So that's where you buy your tickets to enter this place.
Let's go!
It's true. Yep, there she goes.
It's so pretty here. I love it. And it also has this music, so nice.
Yeah, this looks like the American deserts.
Yeah, exactly.
Totally have been there before.
It's pretty.
I know.
This one, it's so pretty. Look at it.
This is a size comparison. Extend your arm.
Jehian called this a giant dill. It's not.
Kind of looks like it.
Cactus! I want a cactus. It's so cute. Oh, this is ridiculously giant. Look, it even has the thing so that...
This is aloe, right?
I don't know what this is.
It looks like aloe. This one looks like aloe.
Okay, this one is aloe. Oh my goodness! Now that she said it, now I'm gonna be scared of Flash because he said that it's gonna attack us. It looks like it's gonna attack us.
Yeah, it's like ready to. They even got protection over here.
Yeah, that's just.
For the shark. I mean, look at that. That looks.
Oh my goodness, that's humongous.
That looks gnarly. Absolutely gnarly.
Adorable, adorable looking. Have you ever seen a cactus with a fur? I personally did not. It has fur. What? Honey, it has fur.
Look at it. Look at it. Let's just stand next to it. Stand next to this aloe. Yo. This is the tropical forest.
And it has humidity here. That's crazy. I can feel it. Humidity.
And it has nightclub music.
It looks like it's like a little
Spiral.
I've never seen anything like that before. It is fur.
This is the silly worm plant.
Yeah. Yeah, the one that we know. Yeah. That's true.
Anyway, this is where they're cultivated. Here it is. The 3D printed plant. Almost finished.
This is my favorite tree. It's coffee tree. From Ethiopia. That's not like coffee. No.
It does not smell like coffee.
So elegant, so pretty. So yeah, the park itself is it's huge, right?
Yeah.
And it's also pretty. Look, even the fountains. Apparently that's lake.
Yeah, it's a self-contained lake specifically for this park. And there's a bridge connecting the entrance. And it's such a nice environment. And it's nice. We're at this big fountain.
It's so pretty. With a big pot.
Whoa. Just look at that.
So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and
Yeah, we had a lot of fun in this park. I really recommend it. How about you?
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Recommend.
Yeah.
Especially cycling.
Yeah, if
although
you're-
people are there here just don't know what cycling path is apparently. Anyways.
Anyway, if you're in Astana, be sure to visit the Botanical Garden and watch the trees grow over the years as we come back over and over again.
Yeah. If you like our video, put a big like to it, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.